Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Here you have to choose restart, and let's wait until the device vibrates and shows you the Sony logo, and then let's start holding the volume down. So let's be prepared, let's wait for vibrating. As you can see, Sony is vibrating and the Sony logo pops up, so it means that we have to start holding the volume down key and keep holding this volume down button for the whole time. Now you can release volume down. As you can see, the safe mode just pops up, so you can start using your device without the third-party applications, and you can check out how your device reacts and performs. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key, choose restart again, and right now the device is booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see, the home screen pops up, so you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.